Apples are one of the most common fruits on the planet, yet most people have no idea how powerful they really are. Eaten by billions of people every single day, this simple fruit is loaded with nutrients your body needs. Today we are breaking down the vitamins inside an apple, the real benefits, and the side effects nobody talks about. Let's get into it. Vitamins in an apple and their percentages. A medium-sized apple contains a surprising mix of vitamins. Vitamin C is the biggest contributor, making up close to 14% of the daily recommended value. It supports the immune system, helps the body absorb iron, and keeps skin healthy by supporting collagen production. Vitamin K contributes around 5% of the daily value and is essential for blood clotting and strong bones. Vitamin B6 sits at roughly 5%, helping convert food into usable energy while supporting brain function and mood. Riboflavin, or vitamin B2, adds about 2%, assisting with cellular energy production. Small amounts of vitamin A, vitamin E, and folate round out the list, each contributing around 1 to 2%. None of these numbers look massive alone, but together they make the apple a genuinely balanced everyday fruit. The real benefits of eating apples. The benefits go far beyond the classic saying about keeping the doctor away. Apples are rich in soluble fiber called pectin, which helps lower bad cholesterol and reduces strain on the heart. They are also loaded with antioxidants like quercetin, which fight inflammation and protect cells from damage. The fiber content supports digestion, prevents constipation, and helps maintain a healthy gut. Apples are low in calories, around 95 per medium fruit, yet filling thanks to their water and fiber content, making them a smart snack for weight management. Despite their sweetness, apples have a low glycemic index, causing a slower rise in blood sugar, which makes them a safer choice for people managing insulin sensitivity. Some research even links regular apple consumption to better brain health and stronger bone density over time. Possible side effects of apples. Apples are not completely without downsides. Eating too many in one sitting can cause bloating or stomach cramps due to their fiber and fructose content, especially for people with sensitive digestion. Apple seeds contain a compound called amygdalin, which can release small amounts of cyanide, so it's best to avoid chewing them. Pesticide residue is another concern, since apples are among the most heavily sprayed crops, so washing them well or buying organic helps. People allergic to birch pollen may experience mild mouth or throat itching after eating raw apples. The natural acids and sugars can also contribute to enamel erosion over time if oral hygiene is neglected, and eating several apples a day can add up in sugar intake for those watching their levels closely. So there you have it, the real story behind one of the most common fruits in the world. If you found this useful, hit that subscribe button so you never miss the next deep dive into the foods you eat every day. Drop a comment telling us what fruit to break down next, and we'll see you in the next video.